Hello everyone, it's Newman here. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to buy any cryptocurrency from the Binance app using your bank card or Visa card. So checking from my funding wallet, as you can see I have 0 crypto at the moment, so I'm going to buy from the app. You click on markets. So over here is the spot trading section. So I'll just select one pair, Ethereum USDT. By the way, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit subscribe. This is a spot trading section. You can see a few biddings below. So you just click on buy at the bottom. So you click on fiat at the top. So as the name suggests, here we'll be making payments with our fiat currency. You can see GHS at the top right. So that's for Ghana cedis. If you're in Nigeria, you should see NGN. So you just click on card, and then here you input the amount. It's taking a bit to load. So if you look at the top, you see buy BUSD. You just click on that, and then for this video I'll be buying Ethereum. So you input ETH. I've already searched it, so I'll just click on it. So as you can see, that's Binance rate for 1 Ethereum. So you're only going to buy a fraction of this. So you input the amount. So you are going to buy 4,900. Click on confirm below. So over here you'll be asked to input some card details if it's the first time, but I already have my card details, so I'll just click on it. So here you go through the details of the transaction. I'm buying 4,900 cedis and I'll be receiving 0.402 roughly. Okay, so click on confirm. And so just like that, we have purchased our Ethereum from using the bank card. So you can see they just sent me a message. I'll check my app to verify. So going back to my spot wallet, I should see the balance reflected in there. As you can see now, I have Ethereum 0.402 Ethereum below. And of course you need a verified Binance account in order to make this purchase. So you can see I've already gone through the verification process, as you can see there. So make sure you have a verified account. Now I'll go and check from my bank account and see to confirm the deduction. Yes, so that is how you buy from the Binance app using your bank card or Visa card. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and also to subscribe for more. See you in the next one.